The tomatoes in the garden are really starting to come in now. We'll be harvesting tomatoes just about every single day for probably the next several weeks. So before I get into any real heavy canning, like making some diced tomatoes and chilies or pasta sauce or hot sauce or anything like that, I just made these two really quick and easy dishes. One of my favorite summer dishes is a pasta dish where I take the tomatoes and summer squash, some onion, and if I have some peppers, like that little yellow pepper that I picked, I'll take that and I'll dice it up and just saute those and toss them with some butter, maybe some capers if I have them, and some lemon. Another really quick and easy and refreshing dish that I made was that Caprese salad. I didn't actually have mozzarella cheese, so I used some Oaxaca cheese or Oaxaca cheese. I don't know. I live in South San Antonio, so it's just this soft Mexican cheese that's very similar to mozzarella. And that's just simply taking some fresh basil, slicing the tomatoes, slicing the cheese, and putting it all on a plate and drizzling some olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So there you have it, two quick and easy meals that I made using some summer squash, tomatoes, basil, and peppers from the garden. Let me know what you're making using your food that you're growing from your garden.